Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani. My name is Gingirikani Wakamashaba, bringing you another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani. Today I want to talk about idols and why I think the twins will not win this year's competition in 2019. Okay guys, just like I said, I believe that this year's idols will not crown any of the twin sisters. We've seen it over the years. The idols has always crowned people that have this American kind of sound, or not even American, but sort of a more pop sound. You know, people who can sing Lady Gaga song, Beyonce song, people with a Donald voice, if you know what I mean. And I don't believe the twins have that Donald voice. You know, I'm not taking anything away from them because they can sing. Obviously, they are good. Even Zahara tweeted that she wants to work with them regardless of what happens. You know, so already there's someone who's on the wings waiting for them. Should they not win the competition or go further in the competition? But I believe that they don't stand a chance to win. And when I look at the twins have a rich African sound, rich African voices. And over the years in Idols, I did not see any person with a rich African voice win the competition. I can name few of them. You know, we know the story of Karabo. Karabo, is it Karabo from Kimberley, right? I forgot, I think his name is Karabo, the guy with the dreadlocks. He's always came back from Idols trying, I mean, I don't know if it's 5 times or 10 times. He's always been there until he gave up. He didn't win it, but not to say he wasn't good enough, you know. He was good, but he didn't stand a chance because of the fact that he has this Africanness in his singing, you know. And another person is Sonke Mazibuko. Sonke Mazibuko was one of the great singers of Idols I've ever seen, you know, but he didn't stand a chance to win because of the same reason. Another person is Mtokozis. Mtokozis is also good, great singer, you know, good appearance, great voice, you know, is charming guy, you know, good looks as well, because they count these days. But because of his voice, that is more African. You know, if you talk about Jabu Kanyile, if you talk about all these big African icons, they have that kind of a sound, and those are not the people that idols want to crown. No, not to say they're not good, but those are not the people that they want to crown, you know. So I believe the twins don't stand a chance because of that, because their voices are good. They have good voices, great vocals, quite strong, very powerful, very punching, and they're very appealing. Because when I look at them, give them a gospel song, they kill it. Give them a Zahara song, they kill it. You know, anything African. Even Musa actually won it because he had both qualities of having the African sounds in his singing and also being a bit global. You know, he could do both. I remember him singing Ringo songs and all these African songs, but when he's given a pop song, he will also deliver. I know people like Matema was both as well. I feel like Matema could have won the competition had she been competing in this year's competition. Not to say the guys who are there are not good enough. I mean, Snaze is good. Michaela, I love Michaela. You know, when you talk about is it Yolo? Yolo is also great with his vocals, you know. But I feel like when I look at Yolo and Musa, I feel like they're almost the same, you know. But when I look at the twins just remind me of those other guys with African voices that never made it in Idols. You know, so I don't think those kind of people will win. I mean, you can go to history, go back to history of Idols and tell me those people who won were not people with this African taste in their singing abilities or this African resemblance in their singing abilities, you know, in their voices. They didn't have that. They had more of a pop, more Americanized or more, I don't know what else I can say. But if you give them a Lady Gaga song, they will deliver. But then if you give them a more of an African song, they wouldn't deliver. But then they'll go and win idols. I mean, look at Norma. Norma could sing, but she was more of a pop girl, Paxton is the same. Can I talk about Cam Teta? I feel like Cam Teta had almost everything. That's why I feel like Cam Teta is one of the greatest idols contestant. Give him a gospel song, you kill it. Give him a pop song, he killed it. Anything, he just nailed everything. So he had all the qualities. So that's why I feel like people who are voting, we must be very careful when we're voting, because I mean, like, as much as I want the twins to win, but because of their African resemblance, African tone in their singing, I do not think there is a chance. Idols never loved those kind of people. You can go and ask the Mthokozisi of the world. You can go and ask the Sonke of the world. Even the late Tammy Shobe, you can go and ask those kind of people. So as much as I want them to win, I don't think they stand a chance. And it's unfortunate because, and there's this thing about idols, people that go and win idols do not go and make it in music. I don't know why. You guys maybe can tell me by commenting down below, and also by subscribing, and also by hitting the notification bell, so that whenever we do our videos, you never miss anything. Because people that went and win idols, most of the guys who went to win the competition, they never made it big. I mean, where is Vincent Bones? Where is he? I'm not laughing, but I'm just asking, where is Vincent Bones? Where is Elvis Blue? I used to love Elvis Blue. Where is he? People like Karabo. Karabo, is he still around? I used to love his songs, but is he still around? So those are the things, and I'm quite worried about people that go and win idols. If they can ever make it big, if they can stay long in the music industry. Those are the questions. Why is it like that, guys? That people that win idols, but they don't go and make it a long career in music. But people that don't win the idols, or people are in the top 2 or top 4 or top 5, they are the guys who try to go and make it big. Why is it always like that? Where are these guys? Where are they? Most of them, they just vanish. Musa is there, I don't know if I can say Musa was more propelled by his collaboration with the late Robbie Malinga on that Tande Umuntu Wako. That song? So I feel like that song actually gave him a boost to help him to almost stay a while in the industry, But the other guys who don't win the competition, they are here. Look at Amanda Black. They are there. And then I feel like even the twins, even if they don't win the competition, they stand a chance to make it big in music, because they are musical. They are more African, And then African people will appreciate them going forward. But as far as winning the competition, I doubt. I don't think they'll win it. Just because of the fact that they have these African characteristics in their singing, in their tones. So unfortunately, that's the reality of idols, guys. Someone tell me, comment down below. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. And thank you very much for subscribing. It means a lot. We're going to do more videos like this, where we talk music. My name is Mandela Kara. Gingirikani, welcome to my channel. I'm Salute, mga titimed.